FunkyBabyTv, fun and learning for kids. Hello, little learners. Hi! Let's learn A to Z cookies. A for almond cookies, A. B for butter cookies, A. C for chocolate chip cookies, A. D for double chocolate cookies, A. E for empire cookies, A. F for fortune cookies, A. G for ginger cookies, A. H for honey cookies, A. I for icebox cookies, A. J for jam cookies, A. K for kitchen sink cookies, A. L for lemon cookies, A. M for macaron, D. N for nut cookies, A. O for oatmeal cookies, A. P for peanut butter cookies, A. Q for queen cookies, A. R for raisin cookies, A. S for sugar cookies, A. T for thumbprint cookies, A. U for Ube Cookie, A. V for vanilla cookies, I. W for walnut cookies, A. X for Xmas cookies, A. Y for yogurt cookies, A. Z for zebra cookies,